We will now start with the Chakrasana. This is also known as the wheel pose. Please lie on your back, bend the knees and keep your feet flat on the floor. Now slowly bend your elbows and place your palms beside your head with fingers pointing towards the shoulder. Now slowly lift the hips up and also lift the head off the floor, straightening your arms. Please keep your head and neck neutral and look towards the floor. Now gently bring the head towards the chest while resting the shoulders, head and lower body back to the floor. Straighten the legs and relax. Chakrasana is extremely beneficial in stimulating the thyroid and pituitary glands. It also increases the energy levels in the body. Next, we will do the Anjaneyasana, which is also called the crescent moon yoga pose. While you stand up, keep your feet wide apart, rest your hands on the hips. Now turn your right toe pointing out at 90 degrees, while your left toe remains in the same position. Now slowly bend towards the right side at this angle. Place your left knee on the floor and keep the right toe pointing behind. Join the arms pointing above your head and arch the back looking up, raising the chin as high as possible and bringing your shoulder blades together once again. Now slowly bring the hands back on the hips. Tuck the toe of the back foot and come up. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Always remember to bring your awareness to every part of your body while you are doing yoga. The benefits of this asana specifically includes stretching of the hips as it releases tension in the region. It also strengthens the supporting muscles for the knees and aids in concentration. Next is the Dhanurasana. This is also known as the bow pose. Please lie on your stomach with your chin on the ground, palms facing upwards and toes pointed out. This is also called the prone position. As you exhale, bend your knee and hold the ankles with your hands. While inhaling, raise the thighs, head and chest as high as possible. Try to maintain weight of your body on the lower abdomen. Join the ankles, look upward and breathe normally. Bring your shoulder blades closer together and try and maintain awareness throughout the body. While exhaling, gently bring down your chest to the mat first, followed by your chin and then your legs, slowly coming back to the original position. This asana is very good for weight loss and helps the kidneys and the heart work better.